Hello everyone, I am Aniket and this tutorial is about our newly added feature Animation Block. Animation Block is like a lifesaver for all the Visual Composer users. It acts as a container to the default VC elements along with all the elements from Ultimate VC Addons and triggers animations to those elements. You are currently looking at the demo page that I have created and displayed maximum kind of animations to different elements of VC and Ultimate VC Addons. As you can see here, I have used info box and applied animation to the element. Now let's go into the backend and have a look how you can also create different animations on your web page. Now here you can see animation block which acts as a container to the other elements. Different kind of elements have been added to the animation block. Let's start with adding an animation block. By clicking here, you get the list of properties for animation. These are the options in the backend. Let's have a look. As you see, a container gets added, and by clicking on add an element on the container, you can choose from all the default VC elements as well as the ultimate VC add-on elements. You can choose a flipbox. The container will contain flipbox, just icon, headings, info tables, and in this way all other elements can be added to this container and animation will be applied to them. Text, image, info box, etc. We'll now have a look at the properties which come along with the animator block. You can edit animator block by clicking on this icon. Now here we have given various kind of animations and divided them into different types, like there are attention seekers, entrances, exits for every type, so that it becomes easy for you to choose from this wide range of options. And then there are infinite animations which go on continuously in a loop. And here what makes a product distinct is the animation preview, which no one else provides. So you can directly view what kind of animation will be applied to your elements. Now when we select the infinite animations, the loop will continue like this one. For other effects also you can choose the same to happen. Now let's move on further. Animation duration, you can select for what time in seconds you want your animation to be played, irrespective of the iterations. Animation delay is the time taken by an element to initiate the animation after a page load. Here you can try out various combinations and give this effect shown on screen by providing various animation delays to your elements. And animation iteration count, setting it to 0 will make your animation go infinite, and giving it a value will repeat the animation that many times. Like if I enter 3, my animation will be repeated 3 times. 0 will make it infinite. And once you choose infinite option from the list of animations, this block animation iteration count won't have any effect. And viewport effect, this is very important when you want your element to appear on page load or not. So if I select viewport effect to yes, the element will appear only when the animation is initiated, If I set the viewport animation to no, my element will be visible on page load and animation will be triggered at the specified time. So this is the difference between the viewport effect, yes or no. Now I'll just demonstrate the difference between these two by creating a new page, viewport effect. I'll just add the animation block and show it from the beginning. It will give me the set of properties. Let's select one effect. I have selected infinite pulse, duration of 2 seconds, and viewport effect to yes. Now we'll add another element to the animation block, just icon. Select a random icon. So now the heart icon that I have selected will get the infinite pulse effect, just the way you see on the screen. Now we'll make it 2 to show the difference of selecting viewport yes or no. I'll change the icon so that we can see the difference. I'll select a star, choose its color, give it a different effect so that it looks like a star, and uncheck the box and add a animation delay of say 5 seconds to both of them so that the animation is triggered 5 seconds after the page loads. Let's preview changes. So here you can see the difference between selecting the viewport yes or no. I have selected yes for the heart icon and no for the star icon. So when the page will be loaded, the heart icon will become visible only when the animation is triggered, that is after a delay of 5 seconds. But I have selected no to the star icon, so it will be visible throughout. So here's the difference. Yes for the heart, it will be shown only when the animation is triggered, and no for the star, it will be shown when the page loads, but animation will trigger after the specified delay. Now I'll show you an example of our home page of the demo site which we have designed already. This is the static version with no use of animation block. As you can see, we have used various elements of Ultimate VC add-ons, and no animation block has been implemented. And now we'll see another version of this same page where we have used the animations, and you will see the awesome effects it gets after using animation block. So basically animation block has infinite possibilities in which you can use it according to your creativity and give these kind of effects on your page to the default VC elements. So animate a block is power in your hands while using Visual Composer. Let's refresh the page and view it once again. By giving different delays to those elements, we have got this enhancing effect. Each element has been given a delay. In this way, we have used the animation block with multiple elements. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and look at all the videos made to help you.